Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. Welcome to another episode of email using screen readers. So in this episode, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can unsend any email. For example, you have just sent an email and you think that you have missed something, or you have written a wrong information or something like this. Something is happened. So you can unsend your email before it was sent to your sender or a recipient. So you have only 5 seconds time to unsend this. Today I'm going to show you how to do that by using Gmail standard view, and this option is only available in Gmail standard view. This is why I'm always recommending you to use Gmail standard view. I have already made few videos on how to use Gmail standard view. You can watch those videos from our playlists. And one more very important information is I have told you that you can get only 5 seconds time to unsend, but I will tell you how you can increase this up to 30 seconds. Yes, I will get 30 seconds to resend it for this video, but I will also tell you how to do that, how to change the settings, where it's available. So everything I am going to tell you in this video. So this video is going to be very interesting. Don't forget to press the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and leave your valuable comment into the comment section. So friends, you may get some outside noise. Don't focus on that. Focus on my voice, focus on my trainings. So let's get started today's episode. So I am in Gmail. So this is the inbox.
Unread. Accessible computing. Email received 3.
So let me go to compose dialog box.
Compose. New message dialog. Edit combo collapsed. To set the value. Use the
So
arrow.
here I am just giving the recipient ID, my email ID, or our official email ID, info.
Info list box. Enter. Compose. Draft. Say edit combo collapsed. To set the value. Use the arrow keys.
After that I am pressing tab.
Subject edit. Type in text.
In subject I am typing false email.
Fault.
And in email body I am typing sorry.
Sorry. Space.
Okay, so now I am sending this email. But before doing all these things, let me tell you, after sending this email, you have to use your keyboard quickly. Otherwise, the time period will be over and you will never be allowed to unsend the message. So I am telling you, I am telling you what is the process first, then I will do the practical way. Because if I am trying to say and do practicals, then the time may be up, the times may be over. So this is the reason I am just telling you first, then I will do the practical. So after sending the email, you have to find the option Google accounts, then the account's name. For example, Google accounts info.accessiblecomputing@gmail.com. Below that you will find message sent, link view, link undo, view message or undo. So just click on undo and it will undo. The message will be unsent and you will be come back to the Compass editor. So I am sending this email. I am pressing Ctrl plus Enter.
Control alert. Cancel. Send alert. Undo message. Send undo view message.
So message said undo view message. No, so now I'm going to stop. I'm just pressing BBB.
Name, advanced support button setting. Google apps button. Collab. Google account.
Google account. Below that.
Message sent undo.
Message sent undo. So I'm pressing tab.
Message sent undo.
Undo.
View message link.
View message. So if you want to view message, you can click here to view or
message sent undo.
So this is the undo. I'm pressing enter on it.
Enter inbox 11 ratolbasak.me@gmail.com. Gmail document. Undoing ... Sending undone. Table column 1.
Sending undone.
False email.
So you have listened that sending undone. So this is the way you have to do. You have to use. You have to master your keyboard. Otherwise, you will not able to do this. So you have to master your keyboard. You have to master on screen reader also, because your screen reader must be very fast. Otherwise, while your screen reader is announcing the undo button, you will never find the undo button. So this is the magic. So that's why I'm telling all the people, all my students, to practice typing. So if you practice typing very well, then only if you operate keyboard very well, then only you can use this type of advanced technology. So now this is the time to tell you how you can increase the size, increase the time limit. So it's not size, increase the time limit. So let me press escape.
Escape.
And let me go to the settings.
Inbox basic main advanced support settings. Google Apps settings button.
So this is a settings button.
Enter banner region settings button to activate.
So let me go to find the settings, all settings. So I'm pressing BBB to find the see all button.
Google more create and select refresh button. More but show more not star close see all settings button.
Click on see all settings.
Enter see all settings button to activate. Press enter. Toolbar.
So I'm pressing down arrow.
Labels tab. General tab.
General tab. So in general tab you will find this option. So I'm just pressing down arrow to find the options.
Label inbox accounts and filters and forwarding and add-ons. Chat and me advanced offline tab. Themes keyboard main reach table with 2 columns language. Gmail link show all the phone numbers. Default combo by maximum pay show. Combo conversation undo send. Send undo conversation undo send.
Undo send. So this is the options here.
Conversations per page.
Okay.
Undo converse undo send.
So below undo send there is a combo box.
Send cancellation period.
Send cancellation period.
Combo box collapsed 30.
So combo box collapsed 30. So by default it's in your case by default it's 5. You have to just press enter here and
enter. Send can 20, 30, 20, 10, 5.
5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So whatever you want you can choose. But I am always recommending you people as you are a screen reader user, we have to keep it 30 seconds. After completing,
escape.
Just click on save changes
size,
button.
Context remove create bullet untitled and align button. Hide size.
Just press Ctrl N to go to end, then press Shift plus B.
Cancel button.
Then
save changes button unavailable.
Save changes button unavailable. Why? Because I have not changed anything. But in your case, the save changes button is available. So just click on save changes button and your settings is saved. Now you can use the undo option. You can unsend any email. You can withdraw an email before sending this. But remember one thing, whatever time limit you have set from the settings, within this time limit you have to do the action, you have to perform the action. Otherwise the technology will not work, the email will send. So this is how you can unsend your email. I hope this video is very enjoyable, very informative, very interesting. So don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to share this video. And I want to see everyone's comment section because we are now 1.6k family members. So congratulations everyone, and thank you also for completing this wonderful family milestone. We are now 1600 family members. So it's not a matter of jokes. So thank you everyone, thank you. So see you with a new video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, take care and stay learning. Bye bye.